Are you a veteran looking for an SBA loan to start a business? In this video, I will cover what the program is, how to qualify, and the advantages of doing an SBA loan under this program. I wanted to talk about this program because I get a lot of questions from fellow veterans about what programs are out there for us. I served in the Navy from 1998 to 2006 on board the USS George Washington and the USS Iwo Jima. I completed 2 med cruises and spent over 14 months underway. This is the program that I use to start our trucking business. I'll put a link to that video up here, and I'll also put it in the description box below. And while you're down there, could you do me a favor and smash that like button? It really helps the channel out. Most of the steps that you'll complete are identical to a traditional SBA loan. You're still going to need a business plan. I'll link a sample business plan below that'll get you started. There are other resources out there to help you if you get stuck, and I will talk about those later in the video. The SBA offers several programs to assist veterans to start, grow, and acquire businesses. There are several trainings and online courses offered through the SBA that can help veterans become ready to talk to a lender. The SBA realizes that veterans play an important role in the economic growth of our country and in their local communities. The program that I want to cover today is the SBA Veterans Advantage Guarantee Loan Program. This program provides fee relief on the small dollar loans and a substantial deduction on the higher dollar amounts of the guaranteed loans. This lowers the barriers to entry for veterans to open businesses. This program is open to honorably discharged veterans, as well as active duty military, reservists, National Guard members, as well as spouses to any veteran and active duty service members, or the widowed or spouses of a service member that died in service, or as a result to a service-connected disability. That was taken directly from the SBA's website, so I didn't miss anything. The business must be 51% owned and controlled by one of these individuals. In my own business, I'm 51% and my brother's 49%. So the advantage of these programs really comes down to the fee reduction. For loans of $150,000 or less, the upfront guarantee fee is $0. For SBA Express programs, which is where the bank is a 50% guaranteed on the loan versus 75% guaranteed, the fee is also $0. Now, it goes into a tiered system after that, so any of the SBA Express loans over $150,000 and up to $500,000 will be 50% less than the original upfront guarantee fee. That would be for non-veteran owned businesses. For loans with a maturity over 12 months, the fee will be 1.5% of the guaranteed portion. Again, this is a 50% savings because you typically on an SBA loan is a 3% fee. For loans with a maturity of 1 year or less, the fee will be 1.5% of the guaranteed portion. Again, these loans are over $150,000 but under $500,000. For loans $500,000 up to and including $5 million, the upfront guarantee fee will depend on the loan amount. It'll also depend on the maturity. Loans from $500,000 to $700,000 are a 3% of the guaranteed portion. This is standard with any SBA loan. They probably figure when you get to that level, you don't need help paying the fee. Between $700,000 and $5 million, it's 3.5% of the guaranteed portion up to $1 million plus 3.75% of the guaranteed portion over $1 million. To give you an idea of that fee reduction impact on a $150,000 loan, you would take $150,000 times 75%. That would be the portion that the SBA would guarantee. That would work out roughly to $112,500. And the fee at 1.5% would be $1,687. Here's a chart of how that fee would add up over the loan amounts up to $840,000. And these are broken out by $150,000 to $500,000 and $501,000 to $700,000, and so on. So you can see for the higher dollar amounts, it's definitely advantageous for this program in the fact that you save a lot of money based on the traditional SBA loan. Like with regular SBA loans, you can roll in certain costs like the loan fee guarantees, bank fees, and all other things can be rolled in. The important thing to remember is that your 10% equity injection is based on the overall project amount. This would include that guarantee fee, so the way you figure out exactly how much money you would need to bring into the deal, you would take the loan amount plus your guarantee fee plus any other costs that you would have associated with doing the loan, such as document prep, appraisals, environmentals, things like that. That would give you the overall project cost. Multiply that by 10% and that's your equity injection. That's the amount you're going to be required to bring to the day of closing. There are other things out there and other programs for veterans, such as grants and other loan programs through local chambers of commerce. I would encourage you to reach out to your local Veterans Administration or Veterans Outreach Program and ask them about any programs that you may be qualified for. However you can do it to help you start your business and get you on a better footing is worth the time and effort. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, post them in a comment below. And until next time, have a great day.